So here we have the Ford C-Max on an 11 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of it first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. It's a 7-seat vehicle, as you can see. You can, of course, fold these rear seats down. You can also fold down the middle seats, should you wish to increase your boot space. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, we have the speedometer on the right-hand side, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge in the middle at the bottom, and above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car there, 87,202. Above that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so we are in park at the moment, of course. Over in the centre, we have the main radio area and the display for it just above that. You can see that we have AM radio. We've also got FM as well, and DAB. Every push of the radio button will take you round a different wave band. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do so via the CD player. You can use the auxiliary input, as you can see just there, and Bluetooth audio as well, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls once you've paired your phone, which is done by hitting the phone button. Main volume for the stereo is just here. Below that, we have our dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature, you can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed, and the fan speed as well. When you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is on at the moment, but you can turn that off, back on again, or hit the auto button. The car will now maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air for you. You can override that whenever you wish to by making any manual adjustment you wish to, and you can then put it back on your own settings. We have a heated front screen, heated rear screen, autonomous parking, which you can turn on from here and then just follow the instructions on the car screen. You can also turn on and off the parking sensors as well. And then lastly, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.